Namo Ratnatriyaya, Vajrayana views, Vajrayana talk. Now, while we say Vajrayana views and Vajrayana talk, I think you are very much familiar with the topic. And since few days ago, I am describing you the Lalita Vistara Sutra, and till yesterday, I am describing you birth of Siddhartha, Prince Siddhartha. So till yesterday, while I am describing you the Prince Siddhartha's time period of birth or duration, all the symptoms, the environmental changes, and the achievements to the peoples of the Kapilvastu, whatever they get, I have described you as it is described in Lalita Vistara Sutra. So, during the period of Siddhartha Kumara's childhood, because of his birth, the environment is cleansing, the environment is peace, and the peoples of the Kapilvastu is get well from the sufferings. And gods and goddesses offered flowers from the sky when he was born. It is all happened due to that why Siddhartha Kumara is a bodhisattva quality. Siddhartha Kumara possesses a quality of bodhisattva, that is 32 different Shubha Lakshanas. In Nepali we say 32 Lakshanle Yukta. He is qualified with 32 different qualities when he was born. Because of that quality, instantly when he was born, he took a few steps to the four directions, east, west, north, south, and also looking to the sky and also looking to the earth and memorizing all the 6 directions. He walked every direction 7 steps and provoked future forecastment of the future of this universe. Having this knowledge, seeing the quality of the Siddhartha Gautama, immediately within that period, King Suddhodana also given the next name, that is the Sarvartha Siddha, Rajkumar Sarvartha Siddha. Rajkumar means prince, Sarvartha means Sarva Artha. Sarva means all the things, all the matter, all the knowledge. Sarva Artha. Artha means that is the good property. And Siddha means qualified, expert. So, because of all the incidents, what he heard, what the Suddhodana heard about the time period of Siddhartha Rajkumar's birth time period, and during the 7 days activities, whatever he had seen, because of that, King Suddhodana given him the another name Sarvata Siddha Rajkumar. Qualified and qualified personality from all the matters it means. So these are the incidents, discourses given by Sakyamuni Buddha to his Dharma Sangha, his followers, his Bhikshu Sangha. And in this period, all the peoples of the Kapilvastu, they get relief from the sufferings. They are very pleasant. The environment is very good. And due to this, the sounds of the earth is, the vision of the earth is spread all over the universe. In the meantime, within 7 days, Mahamaya Devi expired. She has gone to try Trinsati Bhuvana at God's place, Devaloka. And during this period, the environment is here and there automatically communicable and communicated the quality of Siddhartha Gautama. And in the same period, the saints, Rishi, holy men, who are residing at the Himalaya, the Asita Rishi, have recalled his memory. He had heard a sound provocation from the sky. He thought it's the provocation for the future. He listens very carefully. At the time, the Asita Rishi heard that the gods and goddesses from the sky chanting that Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Hearing this sound, the old Buddha, he is very surprised, and with his nephew, he visited the palace of Suddhodana, and he worshipped respectfully to the newly born Rajkumar Sarvata Siddha. After having his presence at the palace of Suddhodana, his success to have audience of Siddhartha Rajkumara, he smiled very cheerfully. Immediately Asita Rishi, Asita saint, his face is very darkened. From his eyes, the tears is falling. Looking these incidents, King Suddhodana was very surprised. In other hand, he feels so sad that because of Rishi's face changing face and dropping the tears from his eye, King Suddhodana asked to the Rishi Asita that what is the cause? Why your face is changed and why you are weeping? Then Asita Rishi told that my respectful King Suddhodana, I'm smiled because this Bodhisattva Siddhartha Sarvartha Siddha Rajkumar, Prince Rajkumar, is the Bodhisattva in this period. Because of his all the activities in his past life, he came here to get relief all the sentencing sufferings. He will be future Buddha. So, I'm smiled because I can offer some my offerings. I can go to the future Buddhas. So I'm smiled. But it is very sad to me. I'm so old. When he would become Buddha, at a time I will know more in this art. So I could not see him as a Buddha. So my eyes dropped automatically the tears. In this way, Asita Rishi described his experiences, his vision about the Siddhartha Rajkumar, Sarvartha Siddhartha. And in the same period, these old activities are describing by the Sakyamuni Buddha, memorizing his past life and the current life when he is just before to be a Buddha. But he was describing it at the time of Buddha when he was giving discourses to his Dharma Sangha, his Bhikshu Sangha. So, when returning back to the place where Asita Rishi used to stay, at that time he told to Naradatta, his nephew, that it's very sad to me, I could not see him as a Buddha. Then Asita Rishi was told by his nephew Naradatta that if so, you go and pay homage to Lord Buddha's place and get Buddhist ordination from him, then you will all the time at the place of Buddha. So you will feel very easy and you will take very pleasant with him. In this way, these old activities, the past life and present life of the past time described by Sakyamuni Buddha to his Dharma Sangha, the Bhikshu Sangha. And in this way, again, Sakyamuni Buddha told to the Bhikshu Sangha that there are also the Bodhisattvas. Oh, Bodhisattvas, when Bodhisattvas will get born, the old environment will automatically, the Suddhavasa Kaika the visualization of all the things is very good, and because of that, all the gods and goddesses also use the respect for the bodhisattvas, because bodhisattvas born not for himself. Bodhisattvas will born for the benefit, for the help of the other sentient beings, to give relief from the sufferings to the people. It could be success because of the bodhisattvas. Even the Shakyamuni Buddha, in his past life, he is very perfected. Because of he was perfected by Dana, Sila, Chanti, Virya, Dhyana, Pragya, Paramitas. The six perfection quality gives him knowledge of Maitri, the friendship, Mudita, equality quality, Karuna, compassionate quality. So, due to the equality, friendship, and the compassion quality, and is perfection in all the direction, he will be success to help others, and all the activities at a period of when he was born is automatically changed in the good nature. So, my dear Dharma friends and the followers, it is all the activities which was told by Shakyamuni Buddha to his Dharma Sangha, Pichu Sangha. It was described as described in the Lalita Vistara Sutra. I'm giving you the knowledge with elaboration, with descriptive manner, and very slowly to achieve, to give you the quality of Bodhisattva too. So it is the today I want to close this birth of Siddhartha Gautama's chapter, the 7th chapter of Lalita Vistara Sutra. I think you know the Buddha nature, the knowledge of Buddha is utmost important. So please have knowledge yourself, and also please share it to others as well. And to continue my this Buddha discourses, Vajrayana views, Vajrayana thought, please subscribe me in my YouTube channel Rajendra Man Vajracharya. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and with good health. Thank you very much. Bhavatu Sarvamangalam.